Alright, welcome to Amazon Loves Me. What we're looking at here is a Dripex baby playpen. It is a 52-inch by 52-inch playpen, just for small toddlers, small infants. It's safe and anti-fall play yard. It comes with a gate, so you have easy access to get in and out of the playpen itself. As you can see, you can use it outdoors. Obviously, you're going to want to make sure that the ground is fairly level. It does have an anti-slip bottom, non-toxic fabric, and anti-collision corners. So it's got little padded corners. As you can see, right now it's on sale 56% off at $34.99. Normally it's $79.99. So if you're looking to keep your kids in like a little area for a while the adults kind of are able to talk and stuff like that, this may be something for you. So thanks for checking out Amazon Loves Me.